And for this look, I'm using a bald head latex wig. I'm gluing it to the parameters of my face using liquid latex, and use a Q-tip as an applicator because it will destroy your brushes. Liquid latex will not come out of your brushes. I've already glued down my eyebrows and they have dried using the liquid latex, so I can completely block out my eyebrows using a foundation stick. Here on my picture, you can see that I'm using white stripes and a light pink and a dark pink. So I've got the white and the dark pink and the light pink face paint, which I will also be using these three colors to paint the bald head latex wig. And then I am painting on the eyes and painting on the medallion around the neck using the dark green and the light green, and then again the rest of my neck, my shoulders, and a little bit down my chest will be painted lime green along with the lips. Now, let's begin this transformation. My first layer of makeup is applied. I'm going to apply a second layer and clean up all my lines, and I'll be back in a swipe. This completes the application of my face painting tutorial. It is now time for me to compare my face to my art drawing. It is now time for me to get into full costume and to show you my complete and finished Harlequin Masquerade look. I hope you enjoyed my face painting makeup tutorial. Please check out all my other face painting makeup tutorials and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell icon to receive a notification of my next makeup tutorial. And thanks for watching.